I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, the corn market. Our first chart today, a daily chart of corn. You can see we're in a sideways pattern here. And I think the most bullish thing you can say about corn is that the managed funds are short a lot of contracts of corn. So if we can't take out this lower support level, we're going to have a short covering rally. And I think that's what's going to happen. Okay, we talked about China and their ethanol policy. There's all this corn in the world, and a lot of this corn is over in China. And it's older corn, rotting corn. The quality is not that good. So why not open up ethanol plants in China and use a lot of this corn, just like we do in USA? Sooner or later, China's going to have to buy U.S. corn to feed these ethanol plants. They have 22% of the world population and only 6% of the water there. So for China to grow all this corn that it's going to use and need in the months and years ahead, they're going to have to buy U.S. corn sometime. That's a good story. We're going to keep talking about it. And this ethanol cleans up the smog in Shanghai, and it's good, and it's going to continue. Okay, soybean market. Our next chart of soybeans, you can see a daily chart of soybeans. It's trending higher, different than the sideways that you have on the corn chart. Now, it's a little disappointing. Yesterday, I had a big move up in soybeans. We didn't take out yesterday's high here today. But it is November now, people, and this is a bullish time of the year as we move into the end of the year, November and December. I have some seasonal trades in soybeans later in the month that I do every year. Call me, we can talk about that. It's just the wrong time of the year to be short. I think it's the wrong time of year to be short both soybeans and corn. So demand is record large for soy. So we're on the lookout here. Any production snafus, production in the world soy countries, South America, North America, we're going to be on the lookout, and soy is going to trade higher on this. There's a 65% chance of La Nina this year, and what that correlates is perhaps hot and dry here in South America in a few months when all these soybeans get ready to pollinate. So markets will be ready for that. Okay, the next wheat chart here, you can see sideways. Hard red winter wheat is 85% planted. The market's saying don't plant anymore. I mean, wheat is really, really low. Perhaps low prices can stir some demand. We need to see that. So we'll see about that. Again, be careful being short wheat here. There's probably some 20-cent upside, but maybe that's it. So wrapping this up, the CRB markets are trending higher here, led by crude oil, led by cattle, led by lumber, and led by the metals. And the Bloomberg Commodity Index, for the top 5 are the metals, aluminum, lead, copper, and zinc. This is good for GDP. GDP growth here in America, 3%. When the middle classes of the world, when they get this disposable income, the first thing that changes is their diet. They buy meat, which is corn and soybean meal sensitive. Good story here for our grain markets going forward. Everybody have an excellent weekend.